On a beautiful afternoon filled with smiles and laughter, the sound of music began once again, brought to life through the talents and dedication of our students. Sounds of Spring gave our students the opportunity to express their talents, build confidence, and share their love of music with our school community. We would like to thank our music teachers, parents, and everyone who supported and encouraged our students as they continued to grow and learn through music. Most importantly, we give a big round of applause to all of our students for making Sounds of Spring such a warm, joyful, and memorable event. Because music does not only create beautiful sounds, it also inspires confidence, joy, and lasting memories for every child.